What up, what up, what up? This Stylist John. I am doing a edge control off. Okay, what is an edge control off? An edge control off is where I get a model, okay, and I book them for a service, either a ponytail, some braids, or a sew-in where I have to, or a silk press, a service where I have to silk or slick the edges down. Okay, I want to find out what is the best edge control or product to swoop the edges down and make them lay down. Okay, I got 3 products that I want to try. Okay, and I'm gonna show them to you. I'm gonna try the Eco Style Black Castor Oil 48-hour moisture control. Okay, that's the first product that I'm gonna try. The second product is the Gorilla Snot. We're gonna try this Gorilla Snot. Then we're gonna try Total Transformation Edges. Okay, we're gonna try all 3 of these to figure out which one is the best product. Okay, stay tuned.